Hey, Mike here. So in the last video, I showed you how to get the pre-made text generator packages and all of the templates that you can use when you are generating. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to make one from scratch. So when you start the note off and you want to create this template, we will begin it with a triple dash. This puts us into the metadata portion of the specific note that we're in. So we're going to start with a prompt info key as well as a body params key. Now within the prompt info key, we are going to create the following keys: a prompt ID key, a name key, a description key, a tags key, an author key, and a version key. Now within the body params key, the only key we're adding in here is the max tokens key. Now if you want to go ahead and save this specific file as a prompt template for you to use in all future prompts that you want to create so that you can start off with all of these values empty, you can go ahead and do that by just creating a separate folder. I call it templates, and now I will copy this or make a copy, pop it into templates, and I will name it prompt template. But for now, let's go back to our first prompt and let's begin filling this out. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to make this specific prompt generate tags for us in a very simple and easy to relocate format. You'll see what I mean by that in just a minute. Now, I do understand that we already have a get tags prompt here, but unfortunately I've tested it out and it does not generate to my own specifics. So we will create a better version of it with more clear and concise instructions. For the prompt ID, I will name it gen tags. For the name, I will simply call it generate tags. For the description, I will put generate tags for the context of the given active note. As for tags, I will include generate tags. That's good enough for now. Author, I will put myself, and this is our first version. Now when it comes to max tokens, I like setting this even though it is not required, simply because setting this to a specific value gives you much better results, because as I mentioned in one of the previous videos, this acts as a leash for the AI to understand when to stop. I'll be setting my max tokens to 50. And from here, the way that I like to structure my templates are in a prompt response type of structure. The way that this works is that within the prompt, I not only put in the directions, but also the context, which the context is callable by double brackets and context. I usually put the instructions regarding the prompt above the context, other than very specific situations where I put the context first. Now, so that we don't get confused, I'm going to rename this first prompt into gen tags, just so that we keep structure everywhere that we go here. And I'm also going to create a new folder within prompts titled SystemSculpt. And I will put my gen tags within that folder, just so that I know that everything within this folder is my own. As for the instructions, it's best to keep the language very straightforward, concise, little to no filler, and provide examples wherever possible. That's it for creating the template structure. When it comes to a brand new AI generation template, we will build upon this template in the next video. Keep in mind, I'm writing down a lengthy list of all of the questions and concerns that everyone is posting in the comments. I will be making videos on each and every one of them for this series. So please, if you have any questions when it comes to the text generator plugin within Obsidian or Obsidian in general or productivity in general, you get the picture, then please comment down below. I will get to making a video on that topic or question. And as always, like and subscribe. That's the best way to help me out. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.